Ever felt like you have big dreams, but no energy to make them real? You think, I'll start tomorrow. But then tomorrow comes and nothing changes. You want to write a book, get fit, start a business, or learn a new skill. But instead, you scroll endlessly on your phone or binge TV. And then you wonder, why am I so lazy? The truth is, you're not lazy forever. What's really happening is this. The tasks just feel too big. And when something feels overwhelming, your brain chooses comfort instead of challenge. But here's the good news. You can rewire your brain. Laziness isn't who you are. It's just a habit. And like any habit, it can change. Section 1. Why we avoid big goals. Let me explain with an example. Imagine you want to save money, but when you think of cutting all expenses, it feels impossible. Or maybe you want to get fit, but the thought of running every single day feels exhausting before you even start. It's not that you don't care. It's just your brain is wired to avoid pain and seek comfort. This is why you procrastinate. Not because you're weak, but because your brain is protecting you from discomfort. Section 2. Outsmarting your brain. So how do you fix this? You trick your brain into action. And here are 3 powerful steps. Step 1. Make it small. Big goals scare us, so shrink them down. Want to write a book? Forget 200 pages. Just write 1 sentence today. Want to learn guitar? Don't learn a full song. Practice 1 chord. Want to get fit? Don't aim for an hour in the gym. Just do 5 push-ups. Think of it like climbing a mountain. You don't teleport to the top. You take 1 step, then another. And here's the magic. Those tiny steps give your brain little wins, and small wins create momentum. Step 2. Create easy routines. Willpower runs out. That's why relying on motivation doesn't work. But routines? They stick. If you want to exercise, put your shoes right next to your bed, so it's the first thing you see in the morning. If you want to read more, keep a book on your desk or near your pillow. Think of routines like training wheels. At first, they feel small, but soon they make action automatic. Ask yourself right now, what's 1 small routine I can start today? Maybe writing a to-do list every morning, or drinking a glass of water as soon as you wake up. These simple actions give structure and make the next step easier. Step 3. Use the 2-minute rule. The hardest part of anything is just starting. So tell yourself, I'll do it for just 2 minutes. Want to read? Open the book and read 1 page. Want to clean your room? Start with 1 corner. Want to exercise? Just do 2 minutes of movement. Here's the secret. Once you start, you'll usually keep going. It's like pushing a heavy ball down a hill. The first push takes effort, but once it's rolling, it moves on its own. Bonus tip. Reward yourself. After you complete that small action, even if it's just 2 minutes, reward yourself. Listen to your favorite song. Take a small break. Celebrate. Your brain starts to associate action with pleasure, and this makes you more likely to do it again tomorrow. Section 3. The bigger picture. Here's something important. Everyone you admire, the writers, athletes, entrepreneurs, they started small too. They also struggled with procrastination, self-doubt, and laziness. The only difference is, they didn't quit. Failure isn't the opposite of success. Failure is part of success. Think of your dreams like a fire. Right now, it might be just a spark. Every small step you take is like adding fuel. Keep adding fuel, and soon that spark becomes a flame. Then a roaring fire. Outro. Call to action. So if you've ever called yourself lazy, remember this. You're not lazy. You're just stuck in habits that don't serve you. And habits can be changed. Keep it simple. Break goals into small steps. Build routines that make action easy. Use the 2-minute rule to get started. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start today. Even one tiny step can change your life's direction. Because success doesn't come from perfection. It comes from consistency. Your dreams are waiting. The question is, will you take that first small step today? So if you like this video, do like the video and subscribe the channel for more valuable content.